Alright guys, so I just finished my workout. I am exhausted. I got 3 packages today, so I'm gonna go ahead and open them. The first one is from, I don't know who sent me this, but I guess we're about to find out. They sent 2 of them. Oh, okay, I know now. Oh my god. If you guys are on Instagram, you probably have heard about this brand. It's called Insert Name Here. They have the famous Ari really long high ponytail, and they sent me a couple of wigs and a ponytail to try out. I'm actually super excited about this because I've had thoughts about like cutting my hair while we're quarantined because I'm just like so bored, and I feel like if I won't like it, it's gonna be fine because I'm gonna be at home anyways, like no one's gonna see it really. So they reached out to me like, hey, we love your feed, can we send you some wigs and like ponytails? And I was like, yeah, sure, of course. So they sent the, which one is this? This is the It's a Pony in Mia in the color Ash Blonde, which I really hope that's, oh no, I believe this is the wig. And oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is a shorter wig. I've never worn wigs before. They also gave me a wig cap. I believe that's what it's called. And then I have this black hair. Ooh, oh my god, I'm so excited. Thank you so much. Insert Name Here. I will be doing a specific review for the wigs and ponytails, so just stay tuned for that. I also got a package from Nasty Gal because I'm working with them on a YouTube haul, which you will see that soon, very soon. And then I also got this package from Dope or Dop, D-O-P, and they reached out to me like, hey, can we send you this and can you like try it out? I was like, yes, of course. This is the little package. It says, Farina, thank you so much for checking out Dop or Dope. Dop, I think it's Dop. Have fun, Sarah and the Dop team. Ooh, they gave me a rose gold one. So this one here basically attaches to mirrors, or I don't know if it does it on the walls, but you basically attach it to your mirror so you can like do some Instagram stories, IGTVs without having to like hold it or like have it at a really weird angle. So you can have it at an eye level, which is like the best angle as much as possible. So they gave me the rose gold one, and there's a ring that basically attaches to this. I have to read the instruction just so I don't end up breaking this, and I cannot wait to try this out. So thank you so much, Dob. And then this one is from Set Active. I got their newest collection. They just launched 3 new bras and colors on their website. So I have this like nudish purplish color, I had this olive green, and then I have this really pretty like seafoam blue color. And yeah, so that is all the PR packages I have. I'm gonna go ahead and try this wig because I am so freaking excited, guys. Alright guys, I finished my second workout, which is my last workout for the day. I just got a PR package. I know I opened some already, but this one came in late. This one is from Ball Air. So this is what they sent. We have this little magazine. It says a community issue in the time of self-quarantine. So something to read while we're all at home. That's really cool. And then we got some boots. Ooh, this is from EMU Australia. I've actually heard about this brand before. They have really cute slippers. And then we have this pair of slides, and it's so cute. It's like all black. It has like gold detailing. It's not coming off. Okay, so this is from the brand Misguided, and it's their collection with Playboy. Ooh, what is this? It's a t-shirt. Oh, there's like a little wording in the back. Oh, that's why they put the little things so it doesn't stick. Okay. And then they also sent a ton of self-care kit, like face mask and all that jazz. We have more Misguided and Playboy collection. This is a biker shorts, and then this is a hoodie. Oh yes, I love how it's like oversized. I love that. And then we have this one here, for clearing clay mass 2 times with super volcanic clusters. So yeah, thank you so much Bolaire, Misguided, EMU, for all of this self-quarantine PR or goodie bag. I'm so excited. I'm going insane, so we're gonna prank everyone and show or put in a wig. Today we're just gonna go ahead and have fun. I want to prank some of my friends and see if they notice that I'm wearing a wig, or if they actually like believe that I cut and colored my own hair at home. I tried it last night and it worked really well, because most of my friends were like, oh my god, did you cut your hair? So I wore this last night and I was in my bathroom fixing it, and my dad was like, what did you do to your hair? And I was like, I literally just ate dinner with you with my actual hair. Do you think I did this in like 30 minutes? Okay, I think that's much better. Okay. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Yes, my necklace is new. But last night I posted this Instagram story, and literally within probably 5 minutes I received so many Instagram DMs from my subscribers, from you guys, and then my friends saying like, shut up, like you did not just cut your hair. Oh my god guys, I didn't think that you guys were actually gonna react this way. I feel bad for lying now. Someone was like, no you did not, is this real? Does my forehead look extra big, or is it just me? It's not real guys, it's not real, but I mean maybe one day, just like not now. I do want to say thank you to everyone who believed in me that I would cut my own hair and dye my own hair. My hairstylist will come for me if I touch my hair and do something about it. A girl got a black wig and now she doesn't know how to act. Alrighty guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna cook some Filipino red hot dogs. If you guys are Filipino, you know what these are. Don't be weirded out. I grew up eating red hot dogs and honestly they're the best, and my favorite ones are the ones with cheese in it. Ugh, it's so good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cook everything, I guess, because my dad's gonna be coming home soon anyways. I'm a savage. How does that go? So I have the mini red hot dogs and rice, and I can't eat it without Tabasco. Just sprinkle. I love spicy foods. I like need to have Tabasco. With me, I have a mini travel size Tabasco in my bag, in my purse. My mouth is watering, so let's taste. Okay guys, so here's my Instagram page, and I just posted this photo, and I literally did not think that people or this photo was gonna do well. I just posted it because it's cute, it's vintage, you know, whatever, quarantine vibes, and it's doing really well, and people are commenting like all nice stuff, all nice things about my hair, but it's fake guys, it's fake. It's a wig. I have anxiety, like I really have anxiety. I feel like I just scammed all of you guys. I'm gonna post this video tomorrow. I don't know, it's just me explaining that my hair was fake, like literally. Look how many outtakes I have, like Farina, it's not that serious. This one is just a wig. I did not dye it, I did not cut it, not in this lifetime. My hairstylist will break quarantine restrictions to come murder me. just finished filming 2 videos. I am on my 3rd one, which is my goal for today. I finished 2 clothing hauls that I have to put up that is like a collaboration. Well, one was in collaboration with Nasty Gal, and then the other one is just like a collective haul that I've been planning to film but like never really got around to it. And then I'm about to film the try-on part for the video. I actually wore my wig in both of the hauls, so I'm really praying to God that like it turned out okay. So hopefully I don't have to refilm anything. But yeah, so I just finished filming 2 videos. I've been up since like 7:45, so it's been an early day. But guys, this is my 2nd day sleeping before like 1 a.m. and I'm just like, who is she? Because my sleeping schedule is usually at like 2 to 3 a.m. and I usually wake up like 10, but recently your girl has been getting sleep and has been super productive, and I really like it because I feel like I'm slowly getting back into my habit of like waking up early just so I can get shit done early. But yeah, so that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this last video so I can eat lunch like around 12:30. It's 11:37 right now, so I'm gonna give myself an hour to really film everything. Once I finish filming this last video, all I have to do is like edit and like do a couple of homework for school. I finally got around to updating my Poshmark. If you guys don't know what Poshmark is, it's basically a platform where you can buy stuff or sell stuff. So I'm selling some of my clothes because I already took pictures with them. Most of these pieces that I have on my Poshmark are things that I've worn either for a video or just like one time, like after I take a picture, like I'm done with it. So last night I updated it and added a couple of items, and all of them are sold out, and they went by really fast. I was kind of scared that they weren't gonna sell, but you guys really like went for it. Like I have a lot of dresses from House of CB, and House of CB is like not the cheapest, most affordable place to buy dresses from. Like this one is originally $179. I sold it for $30, and then there's also one that was like $200 I think, and I sold it for $30. So make sure you guys check out my Poshmark. It is at it's Farina, because I try to sell my items as cheap as possible. Like my bikinis are under $20. I sell them for $10 to $15. But yeah, so just go ahead and check it out. I will be updating it within the next couple of weeks. I just need time to look through my closet, take pictures with them, and yeah, so thank you so much to everyone that's been buying it. I'm gonna go ahead and start packaging the items so I can go to the post office and drop off your guys' orders. So yeah, thank you guys for buying. I really appreciate it. Alrighty guys, update. It's been a few hours since I picked up the camera, but it is about 6 p.m. right now, and this is usually the time I stop working on homework or like just like any YouTube or Instagram stuff, because I want to separate like, you know, work and like leisure time. I don't want to like just work all day, especially because I work in my room, so I don't want to have that like environment where it's just like work. But anyways, I just changed into my workout outfit. It's just a 1-piece set. The back is so cute. It has this little crisscross detailing. I'm gonna go ahead and work out because my brain is pretty much dead from all the editing and schoolwork I've done today, so I'm gonna relax.
At first I said that I love you when you ain't say that shit back. It's kinda hard to just trust you when both your feelings don't match. Got me showing less emotions, I don't wanna get attached. Once I give you my word, I swear it ain't no going back. Once I give you my heart, you better keep that shit intact. Instead of assuming the worst, girl, I'm just here stating facts. You want me to take you back, I want you to take me back. You want me to take you back, I want you to take me back. So tell me, is you gon' ride out when the chips fall? I seen
Good morning everyone, happy Saturday. So these are all the packages and Poshmark orders I have. This is probably one of the biggest one that I've done so far, so thank you so much to everyone who has ordered. I'm going to go ahead and ship them today. Alrighty guys, I look rough, but I just got to the post office. I'm going to go ahead and drop off some Poshmark order for you guys, and then I'm also going to go get lunch after this, or pick up lunch, and I'm going to go home. So this, I can't believe this is like a situation right now, but let's go.
I'm tired of going back and forth when we pissed off. Most of my friends done went through it and they stood tall. See, they gon' try and tell you what they think is good for you. Whole time they was plotting, man, I wish they was for you. You gotta watch your back, your front, your side, they disloyal. I gotta watch my crown, cause from birth